There are three main ways to access your assignments on Google Classroom. So here you see I have two Google Classrooms. I have my demo class and my backcountry medical guides class. So here in my demo class I have three assignments. I have 1, 2, 3. You can see they're due Friday at 3 p.m. So the first way to access assignments is to just click them here. So I click this assignment, it takes me straight to the assignment, it tells me when it's due, how many points it's worth, and here's my work that I need to do, here's the directions, here's this video I'm supposed to watch. Okay, the second way is here. If your teacher has taken off the assignments from the stream, which I did to make there be less clutter on the stream, they will no longer appear here in the stream. But you can still access your assignments from here. You can see all three assignments are here and it tells you when it's due. I can click each individually or I can click view all and it'll take me to all the assignments. The last way that I can do it is I can go into the class and I can click on the classwork tab. If I click on the classwork tab, it'll take me to all the work. Depending on how your teacher is organizing it, I'm putting topics. So this is one topic. It has all the work for this week. Your teacher may have different topics, but this is how I'm doing it. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.